Welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't done so, please consider subscribing, smash that like button, and leave some comments down below. So it's early in the morning, so I just woke up a little bit ago, but I got some new accessories for my truck, and I wanted to show you what I got. And here it is, what I got. I got the Rough Country wall guards here, and I got the other one on the other side. This just came in yesterday. And here's the other one. And you may be wondering what this is and why did I get it. Well, if you have a truck and you see the bed is the same color underneath the wheel well like mine's, I don't like that it's white. So they sell different ones. Some people call them liners, wall guards. So there's different ways you can Google and they'll pop up, and there's different ones. This one's by Rough Country. Usually they're budget friendly, and for something like this, I didn't want to spend too much, so I went ahead and went with Rough Country on this one. And I'm gonna install and see how it comes out. Now, I will say that you can get, Ford has one. If you look under here, this one's more like a carpet, which I like. I like that they're doing this on the front, because in the rain and puddles, usually they don't turn gray. It always stays looking nice and black. So it kind of lets the vehicle stay looking nice and new, especially when you wash it. This one's plastic, so obviously over time it will get dirty, but I think it's better than it being white. But if you get the Ford one, which they're like over $200, they actually come the same material as the front. So that is pretty nice that they do that, but I still decided to go with the Rough Country. I didn't want to spend that much on this project. But I do think Ford should automatically do this to the trucks in the back. Some truck companies do it, some don't. Some used to not do it, and they're doing it on their newer models. And going to the other side. So yeah, so I'm gonna start that, and then I'll show you how it comes out. So stay tuned. All right, I'm all done. So you saw how it looked before, and now this is how it looks with the well guards on. I like them. I see a difference. Definitely prefer it black. And now it's even protected a little bit more. Get a close up here. So definitely do me a favor, if you own an F-150 and you have the Rough Country, or you went with one of the other options, let us know down in the comments which ones you went with, what it cost you. Again, I went with the Rough Country. I got it on the Rough Country website. It came pretty quickly, and they were $100 plus tax, so not bad. Some of the other options I saw there were $150, and then I believe the OEM Ford ones were over $200. I think like $230. I saw them online. So for me, something like this, I thought this, for what I was going for, this did the job, and I like the price. And usually Rough Country is budget friendly, so for this project, that's what I went with. But yeah, there it is, all done. Thanks again for watching. If you haven't done so, please consider subscribing, smash the like button, and see you on the next one.